So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. It's a makeup tutorial for it this year, which is coming in a couple of days. I wear it for any time of the year actually. But yeah, I mean, it's applicable to any occasion, you know? I have gotten so many requests from my Muslim friends. They're like, hey, why don't you make a makeup tutorial for this Eid? You know, I really want to see, like, you know, what kind of look I can wear for this Eid. There's been so many requests, so that's why I'm doing this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, guys, it's a very festive day. You gotta see your family, you gotta visit everyone, you gotta share love among your family, you forgive each other, which is amazing. You eat together, you celebrate together. It's such a festive day. So I really want to show this makeup to you guys, you know, how to achieve this look. This is my Eid look for this year. You guys can always do it and try to wear it. You can wear it with a hijab if you wear a hijab, but you can also wear it like this, you know. It's such a festive day. You gotta take a lot of selfies, right? Pictures with your families, with your friends. So you gotta be flawless, you gotta look amazing, you gotta look the best, you know. In other words, you gotta be your best. You gotta be so flawless and so perfect that everyone will want to take pictures with you, you know. So today I'll be using this Lorac Mega Pro Palette 4. So pretty nice pastels. They offer a great range of colors like this, romantic mauves, and then here like cool tones, blues, grays. You can do smoky eyes with this palette. Like, you can really do anything, you know. And I really had a great time playing around with it. It's a very fun palette to play around with. So yeah, I like to play around with this palette and try to make different makeup looks, different eye looks with this palette. So yeah, fun fact, guys, I got this palette from Kohl's. It wasn't in my original plan to get this palette actually, you know, but I just saw it on the shelf and they were having 50% off on this palette. So I was intrigued, you know. I was staring at the colors and they're amazing and you can totally play around with it. So yeah, I mean, it was a great decision getting this palette actually. I don't see many tutorials done on this palette, so I'm going for a cool tone look this year. Cool tone, taupey, grayish, smoky eyes kind of look. So yeah, and I'm paired with a nude lipstick, so yeah, to balance out the look. This here's it. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with a concealer. So I'm gonna be doing my eyes first for this type of look. So we're gonna be using this palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Cool Top for your base. And then I'm gonna be taking the shade right here. It's called the Oat for your transition shade. Moving on, I'll be taking the shade right here. It's called Sugar Cookie. So yeah, guys, today we're going for a taupey, grayish kind of look. A little bit smoky, but not that smoky. So yeah, I'm doing a halo effect. I'm going for cool tones today because I just feel like doing it. And then we'll be taking the shade right here. It's called the Vamp right here on your outer V, but also here. And then we'll be taking the shade right here. It's called Honey, and pat it on your lid. mix it with the shade right here. It's called the Pearl Slate. I'm gonna wet the brush with Fix Plus and pat it on your lid. Take some more of that Pearl Slate and pack it on. See if the shades could get really foiled as much as I want to. I'm gonna mix this color right here, Steel Wool and Copper Pearl. Mix every kind of shimmer from this palette. Some of that copper pearl shade. Let's go back to the dark gray shade again and kind of like pack it on here in your outer V. Some more of that oat shade, the toppy shade, where transition and kind of like soften the edges. Make sure everything blends in together. Kind of like soften the edges so there's no harsh lines. Pat some of that shimmer here again. So today we'll be doing an eyeliner. Let's see. You guys, I'm a sucker for winged eyeliners. But let me see what I can do with it. It's the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. Let's take a small brush and kind of like pat it along the and take some of that dark chocolate shade. Kind of soften the eyeliner with the brush. Okay guys, so as you can see, I got fallouts here. Like, it's crazy guys. You see, the thing I hate about this palette is that it has a lot of fallout. Seriously. So you just have to wipe it off with a napkin. You have to wipe it off, and then you can start doing your face makeup. Okay? Yes. And then let's start off with the primer. With my favorite Becca primer. It's my current favorite, guys. So now let's move on with the foundation. I'm using the Becca Aqua Luminous foundation. It's gorgeous, especially for this special day. You gotta be your most beautiful. And I'll always opt for a dewy look. So I mean, if you guys are into matte foundations, that will certainly work too. But for me, honestly, I always go with a dewy foundation, because it's about personal preference, guys. Then we're gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. lot of selfies, so make sure you are flawless. Patting on those eye bags. I'll be using the Hourglass translucent powder. Moving on to the lower lash. I'll be taking that shade Oat along my lower lash. Dark chocolate, and run it along your lower lash. Really gently, guys. Moving on, I'm gonna prime my lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Former. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Better Than Sex Mascara. It's my holy grail, seriously. It's one of the best mascaras out there, guys. And I'm gonna align my upper lash line with Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner to make the eyes look bolder. You'll be taking a lot of selfies, so you need to make sure that you look flawless. And then let's do the eyebrow. Glossier Boy Brow in brown. MAC Brow Tint. Just gonna fill out the gaps. And hair strokes. Do you like how it is? I'll be using the Too Faced Sweetheart Bronzer in Sweet Tea with my Too Faced brush, Mr. Right. I'll be using the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon. Ooh, I really love the shade. It's warm, it's orangey, it's really natural. It lets your face glow from within. I love the shade. And I'll be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter with my Morphe brush. Ooh. I love this highlighter. Yeah, it's pretty. Take some of it on your nose, on the bridge of your nose. I mean, if you like to highlight your tip of nose, then you can always do that. But personally, for me, because my T-zone is really oily, like it's super oily, so you really have to avoid putting highlighter on your tip of nose. Well, at least in my case. On your brow bone, inner corner. Dust off the extra product from your jawline if you have them. And Revlon lip liner. I'll be using the Ofra liquid lipstick in Paulo. It's a gorgeous nude, guys. Since we're going for a bold eye look today, I'm going in with this nude lipstick. I'll be finishing off with a setting spray from GlamGlow. That's so refreshing. So yeah, guys, and that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. So this is the end result of this look, the Eid look for this year. So yeah. be showing you how it looks like with the hijab. So I got this nice pretty gray shawl in here. I don't mean to offend anyone, okay? I'm just gonna show you how it looks like with the hijab. Hijabis out there will know how it looks like with the hijab. So that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Happy Eid Mubarak, everyone!